Ever had that I need a video, but I don't have the time? You've got a great idea, maybe even the perfect script in your mind, but editing feels like a second full-time job. By the time you pick stock footage, add captions, sync audio, the spark is gone. What if I told you there's an AI tool that can take your idea and turn it into a polished video in minutes, not hours? Today, we're talking about InVideo AI. Think of it as your virtual video editor who never sleeps. I've been testing it for a while, and I'll walk you through what it does, how it works, and whether it's actually worth adding in your system. Feature 1. Script to video in minutes. Just type your script or even a rough prompt, and InVideo AI will generate a complete video with stock footage, captions, background music, and transitions all synced automatically. Example: let's say you're in marketing and you need a quick product explainer for a client but meeting tomorrow. Instead of spending 3 hours editing, you type your script, hit generate, and you've got something professional in less than 10 minutes. Feature 2. Massive stock library. It has access to millions of stock footage, copyright-free picture, and sounds effects. Example: a real estate agent could easily create a neighborhood tour video without stepping outside. Just pull from the stock library and let the AI match visuals with your idea. Feature 3. Instant captioning and voiceovers. You can auto-generate captions that are actually timed well, no awkward delays. Plus, there's a library of AI voices that feel like natural tone. Example: a freelancer making social media content can quickly repurpose blog posts into short engaging reels without hiring an artist. Feature 4. Easy edits post-generation. Unlike some AI tools that lock you because no feature of editing after generation, here you can swap clips, change text, tweak music, without starting over. Example: perfect for when a client sends last-minute changes and you just need to swap one scene instead of redoing the entire video without extra effort. Pros: saves hours of editing for short to long-form videos. Best results without expert-level editing skills. Editing even after post-generation. Great for social media, marketing, and content creator. Cons: not ideal for complex and more cinematic projects, still works best for quick professional videos. Some stock footage may feel like AI-generated if you don't customize. AI voices are good, but not 100% feel like a natural tone in emotional delivery. Pricing: InVideo AI has a free plan, but watermarked show in videos good for testing it out. Paid Plus plans start at around $35 per month with 50 mint video and 95 istocks and no watermark. There's also a max plan at roughly $60 a month with more exports and premium assets. If you're making even 3 to 4 videos a month for work or clients, the cost is basically the price of a nice lunch, but it could save you 10 plus hours. If this sounds like something that could save hours off your week, there's a free trial you can play with. I've linked it below. Try making one video and see how much time you get back.